Okay, right, so basically this is how you attach your camera. This is the Osmo Action 4 to your cam cap. So basically you've got that comes with your Osmo Action, okay, that there. And what you need to do with the cam cap, you should have those three bits there, okay, 1 2 3, that's your tripod screw, that's your mount, and that's your large screw. So you should have those three there when you get the cam cap. What you want to be doing is getting your tripod screw first and then putting it through the hole so it protrudes outside the other side. You then get your plastic mount, and then you've got to marry them up, kind of screw them together like so. Make sure it's kind of nice and tight really, so it looks something like that. You then want to get your mount, which comes with your GoPro or your action camera, whatever camera you've got. You should have one, and then you want to line the holes up, and then what you want to do is get the big screw and then tighten it like so, and then you can go ahead and attach your camera like that basically, and then just give it another tighten. You can adjust it by loosening that there, so you want to get the angle right, so about there maybe, and then you've got your cam cap basically just ready to go. And there we go guys, simple as that. There we go, and it was all filmed with a cam cap as well. There we go, simple.